back and do the You know that word.
What?
What is it? I don't even know the word you're trying to say.
Archaeological?
Archival?
Archaeological. Turn the camera off.
No. Yeah, turn it off.
Archaeological.
Turn it off, Charlie.
Archaeological what?
Don't drop the wine.
There's only two words, archaeological or archival.
No, but there's there's archangel. There's Uncle Archie. Uncle Archie used to live next door.
What about
There's Arkansas.
Hey, my name is Archie.
what about Noah's Arky?
There's Noah's Archie.
We're gonna do the I can't say that word.
What are you trying to say?
What? He can't even hold the camera
Is it
straight.
archaeological?
Archaeological.
Jeez.
The archaeological.
What? What are we talking about? I don't even remember.
But we're gonna